Hey guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts, and this is Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, August 27th, 2019. The last Tuesday in August, and for right now, this is going to be my last Talk to Me Tuesday video for a little bit. I will be back sometime this year because I still have my jelly roll swap strips that I need to turn into a quilt. I really need to figure out a pattern that I want to use for this first. But the year's running out, so I better hurry up, right? Although I've decided to put a pause on my Talk to Me Tuesday videos after doing them for 2 years, I think that's a pretty good run. I am still going to continue doing my videos on YouTube. You'll see me on Wednesdays and Fridays still. So you'll still see everything that I'm working on, and we'll work on some type of a project together. But you can also hang out with me over on Patreon. I'm not sure if some of you might know, but you can actually sign up for Patreon for free. I'm trying to put up free content each month, whether it's a fun little video or some blog content, something to read. You don't have to pay to see those things, but if you do support me over there, you'll have different tiers and you'll get different rewards and you'll see different videos and blog posts. So if you need a little bit more of Robin in your life, you can go hang out with me over there on Patreon. I'm still going to be watching everyone's videos because I enjoy seeing what you guys are all working on. But for now, I'm just going to put a little pause on my videos. Alright, that's it for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Whip It Wednesday. Bye!